Hi, it's Michael Ogechi, Abby again with Enterprise Express Tax Service, talking about 1099 income for the 2023 tax season. You're issued a 1099 if you work as a self-employed person or a contractor, or if you work with a regular company that may also issue you with a W-2, but might also issue you with a 1099. A couple important things to note. 1099s are taxable income. The difference is when you get a W-2, you have your taxes deducted. When you get a 1099, no taxes are deducted at the source at the time that the service is performed. So you are expected to pay your taxes on that 1099 income. It's very important. A lot of people get into trouble with that because they don't realize that that's the case. How do you pay your taxes with 1099 income? The standard way to do it is to set up a payment schedule, okay, which is called estimated taxes. The way this works is those estimated taxes are paid through the 4 quarters of the financial year. So let's take, for example, 2023, you pay your first payment in March. Okay, that would be the first quarter. And the last payment would be in January. So that's the way the IRS calculates the 4 quarters. It doesn't end in the same calendar year, but the IRS has it ending in January as the last quarter of the current financial year. It can be a little bit confusing, but that's basically how it works. And underline the word estimated. It's not approximate. The estimate is based on the income that you made for the prior tax year. All right. So work it out with your accountant. Your accountant should be able to take care of this for you by estimating what was made from the prior financial year, and that's used to create an estimate of what taxes you should be paying for the current financial year. Sometimes you end up paying more, okay, and sometimes you end up paying less. So it's not approximate. If you end up paying more, the IRS is just going to refund you that money or apply it to whatever tax balance that you may have. All right. So it's very important for you to know that it is estimated. It's not an approximate amount. Okay. So the other thing about 1099s is this. The IRS had in prior years said that if you were using third-party applications like Zelle and Cash App, that if you had anything over $600 in transactions, that may be taxable as business income. Okay, the IRS was going to implement that in the 2023 tax filing season. They've decided they are not going to implement that in the 2023 tax filing season. Rather, it's going to be implemented the following tax year, that's in 2024. So we've got a reprieve. We've got enough time to figure out, if you do a lot of business or even a hobby or just do a lot of transactions with Zelle and Cash App, just, bear in mind that, sometime in the 2024, they're going to start looking at it a little bit more stringently. So you want to figure out how you're going to handle that. If you do a lot of money transactions using those apps, maybe you want to consider another method, or just know that that is now going to be considered business income and treated as such. Okay. So once again, my name is Michael Ogechi Abbey, talking about 1099 income and the rule changes that the IRS is proposing, and a few things that have happened and why they're pushing it forward to 2024. Give us a call. We do taxes in the entire 50 states of the United States of America. We do online taxes, so you don't have to come into our offices. And just let us know how we can help you. Okay? Have a great week. Bye.